My name is David Giesen. I work at Photonic Cleaning Technologies. My title there is the Operations and Manufacturing Manager. Our product is called First Contact Polymer. There's actually a family of polymers. It's a one part, either applied by spray or spread on to surfaces that are essentially uncleanable. You let it dry, you peel it off. It cleans those surfaces to the molecular level or to the atomic level, but it can be used from residential people that have telescopes that they want to clean, or rifle scopes, any optical surface that they may have. Well, Photonic Cleaning Technologies has been on the market for about 20 years now, but we essentially had to bootstrap ourselves into the international marketing, setting up distributors, figuring out how to receive foreign currencies, and also to figure out how to ship our product, which is flammable and considered dangerous goods. So we overcame those challenges by developing and leaning on a network of mentors. We took advantage of state-sponsored entrepreneurial programs and that help expand, small businesses develop and expand. And we also relied on UW programs and grants that help develop emerging technologies.